Γεια σας, είμαι η Κωνσταντίνα με το LearnGreekViaTalking και σήμερα θα σας πω τι σημαίνει η έκφραση «τι να σε κάνω». Τι να σε κάνω, it's a phrase that we say to someone that we love dearly, but they're being continuously a bit of a pest and a nuisance, and we use this phrase in order to kind of forgive them. I don't know if there's an equivalent in English, but I can break this down. So, τι means what? Να σε κάνω means can I do with you? So, let's have a look at some examples. Έχεις γεμίσει τον κήπο μας με γάτες. Τι να σε κάνω? You have filled our entire garden with cats. What can I do with you? And δεν έχεις χρόνο ποτέ για ένα καφέ μαζί μου. You never have time to drink a coffee with me. Τι να σε κάνω? What can I do with you? So if you want to practice more with this phrase, feel free to do so in the comments below and I will happily assist. Otherwise, if you are interested in one-to-one classes, let me know because my teaching method can really boost your speaking skill even if you are on level 0 and it is as fun and as effective as these videos. I'll see you on the next one then.